Good afternoon, everybody. How's everybody doing? Good to see some friendly faces in the room, and the rest of you that I don't know, I'm not saying your face isn't friendly, I'm just saying I don't know you yet. Hi, I'm Sean Carpenter. I'm from Columbus, Ohio, and I have a company called Sean Speaks. I've been a real estate agent since 1998, and I love the real estate industry. You've got to figure out what that thing is that makes people want to tell people about you. You know, I think it's about three things: building relationships, solving problems, and having fun. If you just focus on those three things, I guarantee you contracts and clients and closings will happen. Notice how all the people that know me sit in the back.
I've probably been in, I'm going to say probably close to 10 of his classes.
Guys, our world is changing. We all have to understand that.
After 15 years of being in real estate, this class has completely rejuvenated me, and I want to thank him very much.
Technology allows us to connect with our audience. So if I can do that every single day, and if I can teach my audience and attendees at my classes to do that every single day, I think our industry is going to be better, and I think their lives are going to be better because of it.